afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
I am Sanjeev from PC Media, and we are a media company which normally covers some like exhibitions, media and corporates, meetings, etc. For corporates, and we would like to seek your time to cover up for this this event, and we have with us Mr. Santosh Singh, Director General from Ipsen's Pharma, and we will be asking him about his experience and his journey towards this organization. Welcome and good afternoon to you once again. We just wanted to know as to what made you start this kind of an organization in this.
First of all, I would like to express my thanks to you for giving this opportunity to speak with Vimedia. Myself, Ipsen's Pharma Equipment as a Director General, the vision was to bring the organization in domestic market where we can meet international standard of equipment. We are in our equipment we are manufacturing medicine which is consumed by human, and the medicine what it is made in our equipment can be consumed by my family or anyone in the globe, not only in the India. So the quality point of view is very important when we are making any pharmaceutical equipment.
So you have a quality check before you give it to the end customer, or what is the process like?
So very nice question. Generally when we talk about quality, it is only in the pharmaceutical industry. So in engineering company as a Ipsen's, we have a team of QC, quality control, and team of quality assurance. So our quality team start checking with the design first, and then they check every step of our manufacturing, welding, such as then the buffing part, the dimension, and goes on.
Any challenges that you face that you want to overcome, or you have not been able to overcome as of now?
As such, I would say being new organization in the market, we do face challenges, but the pharmaceutical industry has accepted Ipsen's with in a big way. So Ipsen's is very thankful for our customer. We are very thankful to our customer who have given the opportunity to serve them in a quality way.
Anything you want to communicate to the masses with respect to your product, and for them to know about your product and then proceed further?
Yeah, thank you. So I would like to speak about our autocoater. See, this autocoater we have manufactured by considering heat loss system, and this one. Now the question is, what is the heat loss system? So let me tell you, when we are placing this machine in the pharmaceutical industry, the room temperature has to maintain 24 degree, and when the outer surface gets heated by 37-40 degree, so it is hidden loss to pharmaceutical industry. So this coater has built it in such a way where there will not be heat loss, and the process time and the quality of product is far better than, I would say it's really, the name itself, it's a glaze aromas, so the glossy, efficiency, everything we can achieve with this coater.
And any other products you are showcasing a lot of products?
Yes, this is the single pot operation. When the granulation, the major challenges in the granulation, we do main material handling. So in this machine we can do. It is a single pot operation machine where we can do granulation, drying, lubrication, everything in 90% of cases. Some cases we do need RMG, but in 90% cases all the process can be done in the FBP. Again, it is subject of product optimization.
Anything else you want to share with us?
So when your question was the quality, the quality comes from the team what we have. I would like to thank my each and every individual in the Ipsen's who are helping to achieve the desired quality, the customer requirement. And as a director myself, my brother who is a PhD oncology, my Madam Sarita, she is also pharmacist. So first, before making the machine, we understand the product. That is important. Making or manufacturing anything, it can be, but when you understand the product, when you understand the formulation, then it becomes it becomes, I mean, we can make the machine in very scientific way that can serve to the pharmaceutical industry. And my team, along with Dr. Mantos, who is PhD oncology, Madam Sarita is pharmacist, Madam Mittal, Mr. Vivek, and all entire team is helping us to serve in quality way.
Where's your head office?
It is in Mira Road. Mira Road, opposite to Central Mall. It is in the highway only. Yeah, our manufacturing also, we got a 3 units. It is in the Mira Road again.
All.
Yeah.
That's all from us. So thank you
Thank
so much
you.
for your time. And on behalf of VC Media, we would like to thank you for giving your precious time to us. And we wish you all the best and the entire team a success as they move on. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.